The budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly began today, the 16th of February 2026, with Governor Sage Vijayashankar delivering the inaugural address. The state budget for the year 2026-27 will be presented on the 20th of February, and the session will continue till the 27th of this month. In his address, the governor said Meghalaya is on track to triple its economy by 2032, citing a 9.66% real GSDP growth and sustained post-pandemic expansion. He stated that the state is among the fastest growing in the country, maintaining an average growth rate of around 10% over the past 3 years. The governor highlighted infrastructure projects worth over rupees 12,000 crore, mobilization of rupees 1,800 crore in private investment, and major proposals including the rupees 22,000 crore Shillong-Silchar corridor and expansion of Shillong Airport. Over 2,960 kilometers of roads have been built since 2018, while 97% of villages now have mobile coverage, and over 6,900 villages are connected by broadband. On governance, the governor of Meghalaya said recruitment for nearly 3,000 police posts is nearing completion and boundary works along the Assam-Meghalaya border are progressing. In the social sector, over 83% of rural households have tap water connections. Healthcare spending stands at rupees 7,690 per capita, and the Shillong Medical College was launched in 2025. Tourism footfall has risen by nearly 60% since 2022. Sports infrastructure is being upgraded for the year 2027 National Games, and community-led forest conservation covers over 51,000 hectares. The governor also informed the House that a judicial inquiry has been set up to probe the recent illegal coal mine blast in East Jaintia Hills that claimed at least 31 lives.
Household sustained investments in infrastructure, human resources, and system strengthening have transformed the sector. Financial protection and digital transparency have further reinforced public trust in the health system. Meghalaya has achieved a major milestone in quality healthcare. The government remains steadfast in their commitment to improving learning outcomes and ensuring quality education across Meghalaya. Central of this effort is Mission Education, a flagship program transferring more than 2,000 schools, upgraded classrooms, and modern facilities. The State Cabinet has approved the state curriculum framework for the foundational stage. Higher education in Meghalaya is witnessing unprecedented expansion. Recently, government approved the establishment of Meghalaya's Teachers Training Academy. Aligned with the vision of inclusive growth, the state continues to uphold workers' rights and strengthen labor welfare. Meghalaya State Skill Development Society is delivering comprehensive human capital strategy. Meghalaya is rapidly emerging as a sporting hub in the country. To improve access to high-quality sports infrastructure for all, over 240 facilities are being constructed across the state. Our sports ecosystem is being strengthened through a comprehensive mix of scholarship, programs, and cash awards. Each year, more than 3,500 people participate in state-supported sporting events. The government remains deeply committed to the promotion of celebration of Meghalaya's rich arts, culture, and heritage. Across the state, local communities preserve their cultural heritage by living in harmony with nature. Meghalaya is uniquely positioned to safeguard livelihoods while protecting nature. Flagship programs such as Green Meghalaya and Green Meghalaya Plus have transformed conservation into tangible value. The government continues to focus on expanding assured irrigation, protecting agriculture land from the floods and erosion, the promoting integrated water resources management. The state continues to safeguard Meghalaya's core natural resources by promoting sustainable management of soil, water, vegetation to strong community participation. Since the NGT banned the Rathore coal mining, upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court, thousands of people who depend on the coal mining have lost their livelihoods. In the light of the recent tragic mining incident in Meghalaya, East Jantia Hills, the government has decided to constitute a judicial inquiry commission under the Commission of Inquiry Act to investigate the incident. The government is cognizant of the fact of when disaster strikes, timely and efficient relief is of utmost importance. Over the first years, the Chief Minister's Secretariat implemented key development initiatives through the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. The state remains committed to safeguarding consumers' interests by ensuring that all goods sold are accurate in quality and volume as declared. The government continues to strengthen transparent and citizen-centric communication, including the observance of the World Press Foundation Day and National Press Day. To strengthen governance across the state, iconic projects such as Meghalaya Secretariat Complex in New Shillong, the additional Secretariat Complex in Tura, and the Integrated Administrative Complex in Javai have already been initiated. New civil substation offices of many secretariats at Rakshamagre and Chokpot are nearing completion. The government has also prioritized citizen-centric infrastructure. The government remains committed to ensuring the timely and transparent filling vacancies across all departments. The state government continues to support the autonomous district councils in fulfilling their administrative and developmental responsibilities. The state has continued to make significant progress in advancing financial inclusion. The state economic performance reflects this steady growth with the gross state domestic product estimated to rupees 59,625 crores for the year 2025 at the current prices growing over the 12% from the previous year. Honorable members, I have outlined the several key achievements of the state government over the first year, accomplishment made possible through a collaborative and participatory approach in involving all the stakeholders. As I conclude my address, I trust that the matters placed before this August House will receive thoughtful deliberation and constructive discussion. Thanks to all of you. Kuble Mithila, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.